Artificial intelligence is not coming someday, it is already here, and it is changing the way people work, no, in a dramatic science fiction way, but quietly system by system, task by task, and the real question is not will AI replace all jobs. The real question is, which parts of your job can already be done by software? And what should you do next? In this video, we'll break it down. No hype, no fear, just clarity. Last year, companies started integrating AI tools into daily workflows. Customer support teams began using AI chat systems to answer routine questions. Marketing teams started generating ad drafts with language models. Developers began using AI coding assistants to speed up production. Designers created concept images in seconds instead of hours. Notice the pattern. AI is not replacing entire professions overnight. It is replacing repetitive digital tasks. Let's talk about 5 job areas already feeling pressure. Number 1, entry-level content creation, basic blog posts, product descriptions, simple SEO articles. I can now produce decent first drafts in seconds. This does not eliminate writers, but it reduces demand for beginner-level work. Number 2, basic graphic design, simple social media posts, thumbnail concepts, layout mockups. AI tools now handle much of this workflow. Experienced designers still matter, but low-complexity design is shrinking. Number 3, data entry and administrative tasks, sorting spreadsheets, formatting reports, repetitive documentation. Automation tools are increasingly handling these processes. Number 4, basic coding. Junior developers who mainly assemble repetitive code are now competing with AI coding assistants. Senior engineers who solve complex problems are still in demand, but copy-paste coding is under pressure. Number 5, translation and transcription. AI language models are becoming highly accurate. Basic translation tasks are rapidly being automated. Again, it's not about entire careers disappearing, it's about task automation. That is the key shift. No, let's look at the other side. Because every technological shift destroys some tasks and creates new opportunities. Here are 5 areas growing because of AI. First, workflow specialists. Companies need people who understand how to integrate AI tools into business operations. Not necessarily programmers, but system thinkers. Second, automation builders. People who design AI-powered systems for small businesses. This role barely existed 5 years ago. Today demand is growing. Third, augmented creators. Writers, designers, marketers, professionals who use AI effectively can now produce 3 to 5 times more output. The winners are not those who fight AI, they are those who collaborate with it. Fourth, AI strategy roles. Businesses need decision makers who understand what AI can do, what it cannot do, and where it creates value. Fifth, oversight and governance. As AI adoption increases, companies need responsible implementation. New systems always require supervision. So what should you do? Here are 3 practical steps. Step 1. Identify AI-resistant skills. Skills involving critical thinking strategy, complex communication, problem solving. Strengthen those. Step 2. Learn one AI tool deeply. Know 20 tools. 1. Master it. Understand workflows. Build efficiency. Become the person who makes AI useful. Step 3. Build proof. Create small projects. Automate a personal workflow. Design an AI-assisted process. Document the results. In the AI era, proof matters more than certificates. Here is the bigger picture. Every technological shift created fear. The internet, automation, cloud computing. Each time, some jobs disappeared, but new industries were born. AI is no different. The people who adapt early position themselves ahead of the curve. The people who ignore it compete at the bottom. AI is not the end of work. It is the transformation of work. Some tasks will vanish. Some roles will shrink, but new opportunities are already forming. The question is simple. Will you use AI or be replaced by someone who does? If you want the next video to cover 10 high-income skills that combine human intelligence and AI, let me know in the comments. And subscribe to Neb Vertical Bar Next Era Brief, because the next era is not waiting.